Hey guys, in this video I'm going to review and unbox Xiaomi's Mi 2C, the second version 20,000 milliamp power bank. I just received it in the mail right now and I'm gonna open the package. Okay, now here it is. The packaging does not have any labeling at the front. Oh no, there you go. That's actually your power bank right there. So I was expecting to have like a Xiaomi written up at the front, but it doesn't. So on the side on the packaging it says, am I there? And the writing at the back is in Chinese. And here it says 2C 20,000 milliamp right there. And it's also got the genuine check sticker there. I think you got to scratch it and it gives you a number that you put it in the website to confirm that it's a genuine product. But I think mine came from China. I ordered it online on eBay. So, but I ordered it in Australia. I thought it was going to be an Australian seller, or probably the writing would be in English, but it surely has come from China because all the writing here is in Chinese. Anyways, let's open it up and see what's in the box. Okay, the packaging is actually pretty cheap. I was expecting to be a little more premium than this, like not ridiculously premium, but a little more than this. But anyway, so you gotta slide it out. That's the plastic shell outside, and here is the actual unit. You can see at the bottom there it says 20,000 milliamp, and most of the writing is in Chinese right there. At the front, I don't know if you can tell, but it's got like an engraved logo here. It says MI, and the texture is actually pretty nice. It's got like a dotted pattern on all over the body, which gives it a really nice grip and feels nice and soft, which also is going to make it a little bit less of a fingerprint magnet. Now at the front it's got a protective tape. Let's take that off. Let's stick it up there. So it's got two ports there, and here's the charging LED in there. I still have to read the pamphlet and I'll get into more detail about what all the lights mean and all that. So in this video I just wanted you to see what it is look like and what you get in unboxing, and you obviously get your instructions manual there. Hopefully that is in English. No, that is actually in Chinese, so that doesn't help me. I guess I'll have to go online and try to find a manual in English. So that's useless. And what's down here? Oh, and you also get a Xiaomi. Is it a Xiaomi or just a generic? Now this is just a generic micro USB cable that you're gonna use, and it has got a power button on the side there, nothing else there. That's the back, that's the front, nothing on this side, nothing at the back here. Pretty simple and clean looking product, and I have to say it is a lot more portable compared to my old what was that, Romos Sense 9, and that was a 25,000 milliamp, and that thing was a tank. It was massive. Now this one is 20,000 milliamp, but it's still quite big. That's the case for my Note Edge, but it's actually smaller, whereas my Romos was like a lot bigger, going up to here. If you want to see, you can see it in my video, and even wider than this. If that thing was huge, this thing, I think I can actually put it in my pocket. Let's see if it's got any power in it. Oh, there we go. Looks like it doesn't have any power. I may have to charge it. Probably a little discharge. So this is all I wanted to show in this video. I'll make another video real quick. In that one I'll go into more detail what this power bank can and cannot do. But I need to charge it first, and I will try to find a instructions manual that is actually in English, and hopefully I'll make a much better video about explaining how this product works. Anyway, guys, so yeah, I'll see you in the next video. See ya.
It's black and white.